tired of chasing one-off sales from digital products like ebooks, and you want to make $1,000 to say $10,000 consistently every month, the answer isn't to create more courses or digital downloads. The creators making serious money are selling something completely different. And here's why this matters. Because you probably already have everything you need to start. Sarah, a nutrition coach and MiloTree customer, went from $300 a month selling her weight loss bundle to $2,800 a month using nothing but Zoom and a private Facebook group. Lisa, who teaches anxiety management techniques, hit $4,100 a month with just a WhatsApp group and bi-weekly calls. They are running what I call low-key memberships. Why? Because memberships create recurring revenue. With an ebook, you're always chasing the next sale. But with a membership, the payments keep coming in automatically month after month. Even if you don't add a single new member, you still get paid by the people already inside. And each new member doesn't just pay you once, they add to your baseline income. This is how creators go from a couple $100s a month to $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 a month without having to constantly launch new products. But here's the twist. Your members don't stay for the content. They stay for something completely different. Ready? The community. The problem is most creators get it backwards. They think a membership means drowning people in modules and weekly calls and giant content libraries. But that just burns everyone out, including you. One of the top reasons people leave memberships is because they feel overwhelmed and like they're falling behind. That's why I built a simple AI prompt that flips this whole model on its head. This prompt helps you make more money with less work. Jilly and Leslie, founder of MiloTree, we offer software that makes it easy for creators to sell digital products, including memberships, and grow their audiences without the tech headaches. And today, I'll show you the exact AI prompts that build this entire system at the end of this video. So what is a low-key membership really? Well, at its simplest, it's usually 2 Zoom sessions a month, the same Zoom you probably used yesterday, a community space on a platform people check daily, like Facebook or WhatsApp, and regular communication through your email service provider like MailChimp or MailerLite, and that's it. Your members love this because there's no new app to download, no login to remember. They're already checking Facebook. They already know how Zoom works. So you're meeting them where they already are. And here's the kicker. You don't create everything up front. You build as you go, shaping the membership around what your actual members want and need. So there's no wasted effort. You deliver just enough valuable content to solve real problems. But the real magic happens in between the calls. It's in the Facebook group discussions, in the member-to-member support, in watching each other succeed and thinking, if they can do it, I can too. Here's what most creators don't realize. Every month you delay starting a membership, you're leaving $1,000, $5,000 on the table. Sarah waited 6 months to start hers. That's $16,800 she could have earned during that time. Most membership platforms want $100 to $300 a month before you even have members. Kajabi starts at $149, School is $99, but a low-key membership? Zoom, free for meetings under 40 minutes. Facebook groups, free. WhatsApp, free. Your email service provider, you're probably already paying $20 to $50 a month for MailChimp or MailerLite anyway. Your only new cost is MiloTree at $19 a month once you're ready to collect payments. I've watched over 200 creators build these simple memberships through MiloTree, and 63% hit their first $1,000 within 90 days using only these free platforms. Now, if you're not ready to show up for your members twice a month, skip this part. But if you want recurring revenue that compounds month after month, pay attention. Watch this AI prompt design a $1,000 per month membership in under 2 minutes. So here we go. Open ChatGPT and copy and paste this in. Design a low-key membership for my expertise in, and you add your niche. So let's say an example would be LinkedIn for coaches. I want something simple to run that builds community using free platforms people already know. First, validate my niche using these 6 purchasing triggers. Does it make people money, save time, move them toward happiness, move them away from pain, or raise their social status? Explain which triggers my niche hits. Then, create a membership concept that meets twice monthly, 1 teaching call, 1 Q&A via Zoom, uses free platforms like Facebook groups, Discord, or WhatsApp for interaction, uses email for sharing schedules, recordings, and updates, focuses on implementation, not information overload, builds naturally without requiring tons of pre-created content, develops a tight-knit supportive community, and commands somewhere between $27 and $97 a month in pricing. Finally, give me the membership name, core promise, monthly structure using these free tools, and a strategy to keep members engaged and referring others. And now watch this. In just 90 seconds, AI validated my idea and built out my membership concept. No course creation, no giant content calendar, just a clear, simple system people will happily pay for every month. Now, most people just post randomly and hope to get members to sign up, but this next prompt shows you exactly where to find your people. Here's the second prompt. I'm launching a membership concept from my previous prompt. Give me the 10 best places to attract my ideal members with specific strategies for each location. Include online communities, social media platforms, networking opportunities, and partnership possibilities. For each location, tell me exactly how to introduce my membership naturally without being salesy, what value I should lead with, and how to start conversations that convert browsers into members. Also, give me 5 content ideas I can share in these places that demonstrate my expertise and naturally lead people to want more ongoing support. Now check this out. And this might shock you. Your best members aren't always hanging out where you think. So use these prompt results to get creative, and please don't shy away from DMing people who are looking for your solution directly. If you're serious about replacing client work with recurring revenue, pay attention to this next part about how you retain your members. Ready for the secret? Here's what separates successful memberships from the ones that fizzle. Staying fluid. Don't map out a year's worth of content right now. Your first month's topic comes straight from the AI prompt. But after that, just keep a loose outline. The real plan comes from listening to your members. What questions are they asking? What problems keep coming up? That's what you teach next. This flexible approach does 2 powerful things. Keeps your membership laser relevant, and it makes your members feel heard. When someone says, I wish you'd cover X, and then you actually do, they don't just feel like customers. They feel like co-creators of the community. And that's when people stick around month after month. Now, here is how easy it is to set up a membership in MiloTree. Right now, I am in my own personal MiloTree dashboard. All I do is I click this button that says membership. I give my membership a name. I set a monthly price, and if you want, you can add a yearly price too. A pro tip, set that at around 10 times your monthly price. Add a short description, boom, you're done. Then MiloTree does the heavy lifting. It generates your sales page with AI. It handles billing and recurring payments automatically. The money gets directly sent to your bank account via Stripe, and it gives you a simple dashboard to manage your members. The beauty of a low-key membership is you only need MiloTree at $19 a month, plus the platforms you and your members already use. Secret isn't better content. It's something nobody talks about. Connection, not perfection. Your members aren't paying for a fancy course library. They're paying for access to you, to each other, and to ongoing support. Here's how quickly this scales. So start with just 10 members at, say, $47 a month. Boom, that's $470 recurring every month. Now grow this to 25 members, and by month 6, you're now at $1,175 a month. And remember, you're only showing up twice a month plus some light community management. Your first $1,000 a month membership is closer than you think. Here's your action plan. Grab my low-key membership AI prompt pack below, set up your membership in MiloTree, start with the $19 a month plan, and test with a small group. Stay fluid. Don't overplan. Let your members guide the topics while you guide the experience. The question isn't whether memberships work. It's whether you're ready to stop chasing one-off sales and start building a community that pays you to be yourself and share your expertise. Your first $1,000 a month membership starts with one AI prompt and the commitment to keep it simple. And watch my next video where I show you how to build your entire digital product empire start to finish using one AI prompt.